Hey everybody, welcome back inside the mind of Matt, and I got another episode of, I'm just going to say it, what color is he going to print? I printed a lot in this color, but I just haven't made a video about it, and after visiting with one of my buddies today and talking to his kids, and it sparked an idea in my head, so I am going to print in some black. We're going to step into the dark side. So I'm going to get everything set up here, and we're going to do a little time lapse, and then we'll talk about the print. So stay tuned. Alright, so got the time lapse set up. I got two different angles. And first couple layers laid. And coolant fan just kicked on, so we know we're above the first level. Printing some black PLA. Printing it at 210 degrees Celsius. My bed is at 60 degrees. I'm printing at 60 millimeters per second. Except for the outer shell is printing at 50% speed. Sliced it using Simplified 3D. So we're just gonna let this thing print and go with the time lapse, and then we'll follow up with visions of the successful print. See you soon. Alright, well this thing finished up, and I'll tell you what, it looks awesome. Very, very awesome. Oh no, where'd his head go? I'll leave a link in the description as to where you can find this file. And of course you got the little connector. So it also came with a stormtrooper, so I'm going to throw some white in here and I'm going to print that guy up next. If you'd like to see that print, you can like this video, leave a comment that you'd like to see that. And I got more videos coming, so don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, set your notification, which is that little bell. If you ring it once, then you'll automatically get notified when I got a new video coming. So thanks again for stopping inside the mind of Matt and my 3D printer. And for today, folks, go out and say something nice to somebody. Just give somebody a compliment, or just go say something nice. See how it changes their and your world. So have a great day. While this is printing, I wanted to take the opportunity just to show you, if you are thinking about getting an enclosure or making an enclosure, there's plexiglass covering the front of this, and you hear it. I'm going to move it. Plus this foam block definitely helps out a lot. So just a couple more ideas for you guys.